Okay, so now that I've stepped inside, I can actually talk, but I didn't want to do it outside because everyone thinks I'm weird anyway, and I don't need to encourage that. Well, I probably do, so. Alright, so as you can see, this is the pink that I'm dealing with. Obviously, that is the aqua and the white that it's going to be. We're going to need quite a few coats. You're going to have these cupboards are going up against the wall, and they're going to have shelving in between them. And then this is all the retail space, and it's all nice out, it's all shaded out the front. Needs a good clean. That's the hardware next door. That is where my desk will be. See, just got to put the bloody thing together. Right, so it's a really big shop. And then, as you can see, I've put a curtain up for now. It'll probably stay up. And then this is the second shop, because it's actually two shops. So I'll go through here and spaz the camera out if we can. And this will be, let me get the light. This is going to be the workshop. So I'll have the soap bench is going to run around here. Then I'm going to have a great big desk in the middle. And then we've got a cupboard in here. So with all the shelving, so this will be where all the candle fragrances and whatnot will live. So, and I'm really intrigued as to what the hell that was, because this used to be a hairdresser's and a nail salon. So I don't know what the hell they silicone to the floor, like I don't know, some sort of alien egg something. I don't know. Okay, that wasn't as funny as I expected it was going to be. Sink, obviously. And then this room in here as well, I don't know, it's got a microwave in it, but I haven't even opened yet. Yeah, so, and I'll probably just put 2 tables in here. This will be for pouring melts and candles probably, so yeah. So I found out today that I have to pay for the electricity and I have to pay for it to be put on, which is friggin' fantastic, because I did not allow for that. It doesn't matter. As you can see, I've got to fix the curtains. They're not very straight. That's how they come from Spotlight, people. I did not cut that. I'm also going to put a split in the middle and then pull them side to side, so that I don't have to be sort of, if I'm working out the back, I don't have to keep doing this all the time. They've also got to be hemmed on the sides. But yeah, you can see where it's going. Like, we've got this light white oak wood, which is quite beachy looking, which will be up against the blue wall, and then everything else will be white. Going to have white cube shelves all running down here, a big white glossy table in the middle of the room with God knows what on it, and yeah, 2 nice white display cabinets in front of the here and here, and I'll have wicked leg goods across the windows, and then like soy welts. Okay, I'm making soy welts and maxes now. Yeah, soy melts and candles and goat's milk soap, and I'm probably going to put eclectic giftware instead of resin bits and pieces and stuff with swear words on it, because it just doesn't have the same ring. So, but yes, that's it. All right, so there you go. That's your tiny little 4-minute video of what it's going to look like. I will update you once I get painted. This took me friggin' 2 hours just to do that, not those because they were there, that, over here and here. Now most of it was fine. This, I swear to God, this brick, it's so easy to paint in between. This, however, is absolute shit to get in there. I just had to load the brush and just get in there. So if anyone has any tips for painting in deep brick like that, let me know. Hello, focus, focus. But yes, so I'm going to probably roll on Monday. I'm not doing any more this weekend. I've been on my feet for too long. Yeah, so I'll upload this for you guys for Monday. Whether or not you get a soap video as well, who knows? I might have time for that tomorrow. Otherwise, this will be it for yous until Friday probably. I hope I can get some more, but you know, with getting the shop ready and everything, it may take me a bit just to get sorted. Yeah, so you guys know what's happening. I'm just useless at this time management shit at the moment. All right, well, I'll finish this up and I will see you all next time. Bye.